Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in Premiere Pro. First of all, we are going to create our text. After creating and formatting your text, you're going to head over to Effects Controls. Within Effects Controls, you're going to change the blend mode of the text to soft light. And there you have a transparent text. But if you want to make it like 100% transparent, you're going to select the text on the timeline, head over to Essential Graphics. Within Essential Graphics, we're going to scroll down. You're going to uncheck the fill and then check the strokes. And there you have a transparent text as well. You can control the thickness of the border lines or the strokes rather to get exactly what you want. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and also do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.